In this video, I want to talk to you about 4 mistakes that I have observed you should not make when using apple cider vinegar and how to avoid them. That's right, apple cider vinegar absolutely brings many benefits to the body, but if you don't know how to use it correctly, you could have overall health problems. Whether you're diabetic, carrying extra weight, obese, or simply looking to improve your health, I am Patrick Rocha, the founder of Dr. Rocha, your online portal for education and health, focused on diabetics, pre-diabetics, and the obese. My motto is let's spread health together. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get to the content. Come with me. Well, we know that apple cider vinegar has many medicinal healing properties that can indeed truly benefit our body. I've already made a video about this, but there are some very important things you should under no circumstances ever do when using apple cider vinegar. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. But first, let's review the benefits of apple cider vinegar for your health. It's important to focus on the positive aspects first. Look, well, first, the control of blood sugar levels, right? If you are pre-diabetic or diabetic, know that apple cider vinegar has been studied for its potential to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood glucose levels. It can reduce the glycemic response to foods. This greatly helps in controlling diabetes and blood sugar levels, especially after meals. The aid is also for those who want to lose weight. Consuming apple cider vinegar has also been associated with a greater feeling of satiety, which is a fundamental component for those who want to lose weight and control diabetes, making you eat less. And in addition, there are indeed several more studies that definitely suggest that the acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar can indeed provide more assistance in decreasing overall body fat, including belly fat, all right? And also liver fat. Satiety also helps in controlling diabetes, as I mentioned, right? Let's also remember the improvement in digestion. Apple cider vinegar acts on digestive problems such as digestion, heartburn. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and hydrochloric acid in the stomach, and it facilitates the breakdown of food and the absorption of nutrients. That's really beneficial indeed, isn't it? And it also has antimicrobial properties. Apple cider vinegar has antimicrobial properties and can help fight bacteria, fungi, and other harmful microorganisms for your health, including being used topically to treat skin problems. But you have to be very careful. It needs to be diluted, especially for fungal infections. And it is also a natural disinfectant, which means it can help kill bacteria and other harmful microorganisms. I talked about the numerous benefits of apple cider vinegar here, such as its ability to aid in digestion, improve skin health, and even help with weight loss. But now let's talk about things which is the main topic of the video, things you should avoid when using apple cider vinegar, because these things can often hinder its use and effectiveness. I want you to learn here with me in this video so you can make the most out of this amazing natural remedy. So, what are the most common mistakes when consuming apple cider vinegar? Look, the ideal way is to drink it with a tablespoon in a glass of water, diluting it. You can add a little bit of lemon too. Do not use it undiluted. That's the first mistake. Remember this important point. Less is often more, and in many cases, in other words, you should definitely, absolutely not think that you need to drink a lot of apple cider vinegar to get the benefits I mentioned. Another extremely important thing, if you take apple cider vinegar too quickly, you might get a stomach ache or perhaps even heartburn, acid reflux, or even a burning sensation. Another important point is to avoid brushing your teeth right after coming into contact with apple cider vinegar or using it. Why? Because the acetic acid that stays on your teeth can make the enamel of your teeth more susceptible to softening or weakening with brushing. So here's a very useful and very important tip for you. It's better to wait about 20 to 30 minutes before brushing your teeth after consuming apple cider vinegar. It's that simple. Another very common mistake is drinking apple cider vinegar right after a meal. Don't do that. Don't drink apple cider vinegar right after a meal, period. If you are going to drink it after a meal, wait at least 30 minutes for sure. Got it? Definitely. Another thing, it's not a good idea to breathe it in, to keep inhaling it, because the acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar has benefits, but it can cause inflammation, irritation in the respiratory system if you inhale it, even irritation in the lungs, so avoid inhalation. Another thing, avoid using apple cider vinegar right before bed, as it can inflame and irritate the esophagus. So wait at least approximately the same 30 minutes or so before going to bed, at least about or so. And if you have an ulcer, gastritis, heartburn, or severe stomach erosion, it's better not to take apple cider vinegar. Why? Perhaps because its acidity can worsen the condition, especially if you are in an acute stage of an ulcer, and if you have Helicobacter pylori, which is the bacteria that causes ulcers, don't drink it until you have treated it. Talk to your doctor and consult with your healthcare provider, and be extremely cautious if you are a diabetic patient and are taking insulin, because apple cider vinegar can sometimes significantly lower blood sugar levels in some individuals. So make sure to monitor closely and carefully if you are a type 1 or type 2 diabetic who uses insulin. Agreed? Agreed. So look, apple cider vinegar, if taken in large quantities, can definitely cause more potassium loss. So it's like this, don't overdo the quantity, dilute it, just 1 tablespoon in a full glass of water. Before meals is the best time, okay? If you can use a straw to avoid contact with your tooth enamel, that's even better, because it prevents the acetic acid from weakening the enamel. Did you like the video? Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and become a member. By doing so, you help the channel and get direct access to premium content that will help you control diabetes and lose weight in just a few weeks, with amazing content that I have prepared here exclusively for channel subscribers. All right? Let's spread health together. Thank you for your audience. A big hug, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Until then.